Sounds about right, yeah. Because shoot, it's on the map, it's only down the road, so.
Yeah, I'll leave that then.
Yep. That's worrying. Because Alan's got a habit of getting us severely lost and then blaming the sat nav, so we'll see how that goes. We haven't even left Fort Augusta yet, and we've got to turn around because we've gone the wrong way. I weren't joking, and now I'm going to try and turn around the middle of the road. That's not clever. See what I mean? See what I mean? We're now supposedly heading the right way. We'll see. Alan's missed the junction. We are very nearly there. Oi, big holes. And the road falls away, that's nice. Yeah, we are nearly there, but so Alan done well, he only went wrong twice, so that's probably a record. So we've reached something.
Yeah, that's why I wonder whether that other path takes you down.
Well,
to there.
Yeah, there's another path goes along down there.
Yeah, and I wonder whether that's it. You know,
it's a long old way.
Yeah.
No, you've got to get back up, don't you?
No, because I go along the path.
Well, I give you a backing.
250 quid here waiting.
Can I be like that?
Oh. The thing is probably me falls over. Why do we decide to do this in bike gear? We always fucking go climbing in bike gear. Every single time. I don't know why we do it. Anyway, let's get to the falls before my battery dies. So, yeah, we aborted mission. It's too far to walk in motorbike gear. Well, as I say, we aborted mission. Well, me and Paul aborted mission.
The clever ones.
Yeah. Me and Paul aborted mission and just sent the drone up and got some video of the drone because it's a long walk. Alan's gone down there and Roger's gone, well, I don't really know where Roger's gone. He's gone into the forest somewhere. But yeah, so I just sit on the bench waiting for Alan to come back and maybe see Roger again, I don't know. Yeah, so we'll see you back at the bikes at some point, I suppose, with or without Roger. So there you go, we done the Foyers Falls or whatever it's called. Yeah, nice, it was nice. Was it worth the effort and the risk of falling down that hill? Not really sure, but it was nice. Anyway, on the way here, I didn't record, but there was an amazing view. Like, absolutely phenomenal. Probably the best view I've seen in Scotland since I've been here. I mean, I'm only on day 2, but I am hopefully, because I'm leading again, I am going to stop at that viewpoint and get a few pictures and show you the view, because it's, oh wow, easily probably the best view. In actual fact, just above, just in front of me over there, up on the top of the hill, I think it's the viewing point, because you're looking behind me. But yeah, I mean, this is already fantastic, but just wait and see. Oh, fucking hell. Look at that. Easily the best view I've seen so far. Yeah, sorry, but I didn't see them there. Absolutely amazing, isn't it? Look at that. Ain't it just? Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, picture time. Picture time. God, I wish I bought my summer gloves. Oh, to be fair, Stuart did offer me his summer gloves, and I was going to wear them Alpine Stars. They're awesome, but just a little bit too big, so they were doing flapping around too much. Yeah, bit of a mistake on my part, but there we go, never mind. What was I supposed to know? Right, onwards and upwards. Fucking bike is heavy. Anyway, let's go. Yes, but look at all these midges. Yep, horrible things. Me and Derek are both, excuse the language, but fucked.